Good morning. Will you introduce yourself and spell your name for the court reporter, please?
Erika Johnson, ErikaJohnson.
Okay, and did you work at the Adelson Institute for a number of years?
Yes,
For about how long?
about 11 years.
And were you employed there from 2013 to 2016 during those years?
Yes,
And what was your job there at that time?
front desk.
Okay, were you also kind of worked as an assistant to Charlie Adelson and the front desk?
Yes,
What were your tasks at the front desk?
making appointments, collecting payments.
All right. Were you the primary person who did that for Adelson Institute?
Yes,
Did Adelson Institute often deal in cash for their services?
sometimes.
Would sometimes they offer cash discounts for their dental work?
Yes,
Back during the time period of 2013 to 2016, did Clarissa Labredo, Harvey Adelson, Charlie Adelson, Donna Adelson, and Amy the hygienist, were those the other employees of Adelson Institute besides yourself?
yes,
And were the Adelson Institute business hours Monday through Thursday, kind of regular work hours, 9 to 5, and then on Wednesdays would be a late day from 11 to 7?
yes,
And those were the operating hours, Monday through Thursday, of the Adelson Institute?
yes,
So back in 2014 to 2016, if a patient called the office and it was closed, would a voicemail that were a call, would it go to a voicemail machine?
yes,
And would you be responsible for checking that message when you arrived on Monday morning?
yes,
All right, I want to talk to you about an incident back in on June 1st of 2016 at about 11 a.m. Do you remember two law enforcement officers coming to Adelson Institute?
yes,
And did they ask you about Catherine McBanois?
yes,
Were they asking you whether or not Catherine McBanois worked at Adelson Institute?
yes,
And did they ask you for employee records related to Catherine McBanois?
yes,
Now, did you have access to her employee records there?
no,
Who at the Adelson Institute had access to employee records?
the owners of the business.
So the Adelsons, okay. Meaning Donna, Harvey, or Charlie?
Correct.
When police asked you for the records, did you call Donna Adelson
No,
or Harvey Adelson?
no,
Did you call Charlie Adelson?
yes,
Okay, and when you called Charlie Adelson to let him know that law enforcement was there and what they were asking about, did you step away from them a little bit to the back of the office to make that call?
yes,
Now, at the time, did you know that the call was being recorded?
no,
Have you had an opportunity to listen to that call in prior proceedings and also before court today?
yes,
And was it your and Charlie Adelson's voices in that call?
yes,
From your memory, is it an accurate recording of that conversation that day?
yes,
This time I move States 106, the call that Erika Johnson made to Charlie Adelson, into evidence.
Any objection? No objection.
States 106 is admitted.
Permission to publish?
You may.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, the FBI is here asking for records for Katie.
For what?
That she works here.
I wouldn't give anything.
Yeah, and
I don't know.
the ex, did she work there? I was like, yeah, she works there, but I don't know what you want. Because remember we sent that.
Erika,
Yeah.
do me a favor. I'm not there right now,
Uh-huh.
and I'm in surgery.
Uh-huh.
but it's not my office. It's my dad's office,
Mm-hmm.
so I can't give anything out.
Right.
So, I don't have access to it. I don't know where anything is.
Okay.
So you don't have access to anything.
And you
So
don't
I
know
would,
I don't know where anything is either.
yeah. So I would do this. I would not. I would not speak to anybody.
Mm-hmm.
You can do whatever you want, but I don't. It's my dad's office,
Yeah.
so I don't have access to any of that stuff.
Okay.
So they can talk to my dad, and I'm sure they'll be able to get whatever they want from them.
Okay. Understandable.
So if I had it, listen, you can talk to whoever you want. I shouldn't say don't talk to anybody.
No, I'm going to do whatever you tell me.
Yeah, no. I'm not. I shouldn't say don't talk to anyone. Talk to whoever on the planet you want to talk to. But it's not my office, and it's not your office.
Right.
So you don't have records to give them, and I don't have records to give them. So I'm sure they'll be able to help them out in any way they can.
Okay. So that's what I'll tell them.
Tell them that it's not. It's not my office. The office was sold back to my dad actually a long time ago. So tell them that you will. So it's actually you're talking to the wrong Dr. Adelson.
Right.
So what you need to do is tell them that you will get in contact. Tell them. It's not your office. You can't give out records.
They said within 20 days of accordance with Florida statutes, provide above cause with reason.
Are they there now, or do they just stand?
They're there, but I'm in the back. I'm in the back. They're just waiting for me to come back.
Oh, and they want records?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. I'm going to call you from a landline on your cell phone, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.
We heard you say at the beginning of the call, you were referencing Katie. When you said Katie, were you talking about Catherine McBanois?
Yes.
And how did you know Catherine McBanois?
She was a patient at the office and his girlfriend.
Okay. A patient at Adelson Institute and Charlie Adelson's girlfriend?
Yes.
Had you ever seen Catherine McBanois work at Adelson Institute?
No.
Did Adelson Institute have a cleaning service that came?
Yes.
And was it a husband and wife team that cleaned the office?
Yes.
And was Catherine McBanois part of that husband and wife team?
No.
Were you on yearly salary or paid by the hour at Adelson Institute?
Hourly.
And would you get paid every 2 weeks?
Yes.
At that time, were your checks around $589 every 2 weeks for about 28 hours a week?
Yes.
Would you ever get paid for weeks of work in advance?
Yes.
And when would that occur? What was going on for that to occur?
They would go on vacation.
Okay, and when that would happen, when they would go on vacation, would you sometimes get 2 checks at a time?
Yes.
Would you ever get 4, 5, 6 checks at a time?
Not that I can remember.
Were you aware of any Charlie Adelson's girlfriends being on the payroll at Adelson Institute?
No.
Was Donna Adelson the person that took care of payroll?
Yes.
Had you ever been aware of any employee in the history of Adelson Institute that worked exclusively by phone or remotely?
No.
That's all I have, thank you.
Cross-examination.
Very, very briefly.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
At the time of that call, Charlie Adelson didn't own the office, correct?
Correct.
And the reason why you called him is because his parents, Harvey and Donna were out of town, right?
Yes.
The reason why you went to the back of the office when they came is because there were patients in the office, right?
Correct.
And you were nervous about this all going on with patients in the office, right?
Absolutely.
And Charlie, when he called you back, that was his big concern, right? The patients
Yes.
being in the office, right? When he called you back, was there anything crazy that he told you?
Nothing.
Now, there's been talk about this answering machine. It was like an old-fashioned type of answering machine, right?
The other one's a voicemail, yes.
And on the answering machine, Harvey Adelson would give his name and cell phone number for an emergency, right?
Correct.
By the way, Charlie Adelson, he only worked at the Adelson Institute maybe 2 times a month, right?
Yes.
And when he would work there, he'd work mostly with you, right?
Yes.
You liked working with him, right?
Loved.
And you'd work late at night,
Yes.
and sometimes you'd go out to dinner late at night after, right?
Yes.
By the way, you say you loved working with Charlie Adelson. Did you continue to work with him after the allegations in this case?
Yes.
Did you ever worry about working with him?
No.
Sustained. You disregard the last answer to that question. Please move on.
You continued to work with him until he got arrested, correct?
Correct.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Redirect examination.
So at one point, Adelson Institute was sold to Charlie Adelson and then sold back to Harvey Adelson, right?
I think so.
But Charlie Adelson still worked as a dentist there, right?
Yes.
At his family's dental practice.
Yes.
And he also worked as a traveling periodontist, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Just a second. Do you remember previously saying that you didn't remember what happened when he called you back on the landline?
I don't remember.
Okay, that's all.
Will Ms. Johnson be recalled at any point, or is she released?
I know she can be released, thank you.
She can be released, Your Honor.
Have a good day.